Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new around here. My name is James, I'm an interior designer here in Ireland, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make Easter bunny bunting. This DIY is so easy and so simple, and it turned out amazing. I had so much fun making these, and I know you will too. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so what you're going to need for this video is card, wool. I use pink wool, but you can use any colour wool you would like. You're going to need glue. I'd recommend using super glue or a hot glue gun, just so like the wool sticks to the paper strongly. You're going to need scissors and a pencil or a pen or marker. I'd recommend a pencil so you can rub out any lines you want to get rid of, and that is it. Okay, so first of all, draw the Easter bunnies, and the easiest way to draw them is to first draw a circle and then draw a V above the circle, and all you have to do then is connect them by drawing the ears. Then get your wool and wrap it around your hand about 50 times. Then cut the end and slip the wool off your hand, but be careful not to unravel it, because that will be a nightmare. And once the wool is off your hand, take another piece of wool and tie the wool together in the center. Then take your scissors and cut the loops at the ends. Then you need to cut out your Easter bunnies carefully. Once you have done that, you have to line them up and glue their tails on. Feels weird saying that. Once the tails are glued, all you have to do then is cut the length of wool you needed and glue it to the back of the bunny's heads, and then you'll have your Easter bunny bunting done. And you can hang this anywhere. You can hang it in above your pantry, you can hang it on the curtain rail, you can hang it in your hallway, you can hang it wherever you want, or do whatever you want with it. You can even hang them individually if you'd like. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe. I'm trying to hit at least 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I know we can do it with the help of you, so don't forget to hit that button. And also let me know down in the comments what you thought of this DIY, if you're going to try it out, and yeah, just let me know your opinions and thoughts. Okay guys, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Mad ethnic right now.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come to motherfucking digits. I get it how I live it.